Baa and Boo.
Hello little friends, let's start the day with signs and letters the ASL way. Our hands can talk, they're oh so smart. Let's learn together, it's time to start. A for apple, make a fist with your thumb by your knuckle, just like this. B for ball, with fingers straight, hold your thumb across, isn't this great? Learn the signs, one by one. Learning ASL is so much fun. With hands that speak and letters to see, sign the ABCs, it's easy as can be. We C for cat, a curved little claw. D for dog, just bend one paw. E is for elephant, fingers curled tight. F for fish, swimming left to right. G is for gift, a gesture so kind. H is for happy, peace in your mind. I is for ice cream, a scoop so sweet. J for jumping up on your feet. Learn the signs, one by one. Learning ASL is so much fun. With hands that speak and letters to see, sign the ABCs, it's easy as can be. K is for kite, soaring so high. L for love, it's a sign I can't lie. M for music, a melody to share. N for night, stars everywhere. O is for owl, big eyes to see. P for panda, climbing a tree. Q for quiet, shh, not a peep. R for rainbow, colors that leap. S is for stop, hold up your hand. T for turtle, crawling on the sand. U is for umbrella, shielding the rain. V for victory, celebrate again. W for water, tap your chin. X for x-ray, let's peek within. Y for yes, just nod and say. Z for zigzag, sign it your way. Learn the signs, one by one. Learning ASL is so much fun. With hands that speak and letters to see, sign the ABCs, it's easy as can be. Now you've learned your ABC signs. With every letter you've grown so fine. Keep practicing each day anew, and soon you'll sign like the pros do too. Wave goodbye with a cheerful grin. ASL learning will always win.